Hi everyone, John here, the Carnivore teacher. Welcome back to this mini-series, How Carnivore Heals the Organs of Our Body. Today we're tackling the brain, the command center of your body, the engine of your thoughts, feelings, and memories. If you've ever wondered how nutrition impacts your brain or why carnivore is such a powerful tool for mental clarity, focus, and long-term neurological health, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. Here's what the brain does. Your brain is a 3-pound powerhouse that uses roughly 20% of your body's energy every day. Its duties: coordinating every movement and bodily function, regulating hormonal balance, temperature, and vital reflexes, creating and storing memories, processing thoughts, and managing emotions, driving learning, creativity, and problem solving. To do all this, your brain needs a steady supply of clean, efficient fuel. And that's where nutrition becomes crucial. Now, what damages the brain? Modern diets overwhelm the brain with excess sugar and refined carbohydrates. Chronic hyperglycemia and insulin resistance gum up the works in the brain tissue, leading to what's often called type 3 diabetes or Alzheimer's disease. Oxidation and inflammation. Industrial seed oils with their omega-6 fatty acid overload drive microinflammation in the brain, degrading its cellular membranes. Nutritional deficiency. Plants are low in certain critical nutrients like B12, DHA, zinc, and carnitine that the brain require for long-term maintenance and resilience. Glycation damage. Excess sugar forms sticky byproducts called advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, which hamper connections between neurons, reduce overall brain efficiency. The result? Cognitive decline, memory loss, mood disorders, brain fog, and increased risk of neurodegenerative illnesses. Now, let's see how carnivore heals and protects the brain. Here's why a carnivore way of eating is ideal. It prioritizes fat and ketones as a premium fuel source. The brain operates remarkably well on ketones and fatty acids, providing stable energy and enhanced mental clarity. Supports neuroplasticity and neurogenesis, rich in DHA from fatty fish, beef, carnitine, and B vitamins. Animal foods support the growth and maintenance of neurons and connections. Stabilizes blood sugar and insulin. It removes the glucose and insulin swings that damage the brain over time. Lowers inflammation and oxidation. By removing seed oils, grains, and processed carbs, you reduce the inflammatory load that damages brain tissue. Replenishes critical nutrients. Provides heme, iron, zinc, B12, carnosine, and taurine, essential for cognitive and emotional resilience. Supports neurotransmitter balance. Ample amino acids from meat support dopamine, serotonin, and GABA production, aiding mood, focus, and motivation. The outcome? People on a carnivore or animal-based way of eating often notice improved mental clarity and focus, reduced brain fog and fatigue, better emotional stability, improved memory and processing speed, reduced symptoms of depression, ADHD, and anxiety, stronger long-term neurological resilience. Feeding the brain what it evolves to run on gives it the best chance to heal, adapt, and thrive throughout a long and active life. So, your brain doesn't just tolerate animal-based nutrition, it's built for it. Feed it what it was designed to use, and it will repay you with sharpness, resilience, and long-term health. In the next episode, we'll explore another vital area where carnivore shines. Stay tuned, and if you've noticed improvements in your cognitive or emotional well-being on carnivore approach, drop a comment and share your story. This is John, the Carnivore teacher. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.